Hello student, in your last class we have learned about how to convert any binary number into decimal number. That is, if the question is like 1010, so how you will convert it into a decimal number. So what are the decimal number? 1 2 3 4 like this up to 9 is your decimal number. Okay, you remember? And binary means only two numbers, 0 and 1. In this class we will learn how you will convert decimal to binary. For example, now it was your last class from binary to decimal. Now if the question is like 7, this is your decimal number. Okay, this is your decimal number. How will convert it into a binary number? So 7 is in the form of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This means decimal. So you need to convert it in the form of like 0 1 0 1 in this way, because 0 and 1 means only binary. So you need to convert this into this format. So how you will do? This is very simple. Just pay attention. Okay. So there are three rules or three steps you need to remember in case of conversion of any decimal to binary. Remember, now we are doing decimal to binary. Okay, so the first step is to divide the decimal number by 2 continuously. Okay, whatever number is given to you, divide it by 2 continuously. For example, if 7 is given to you to solve convert it into decimal number, what you will do, you will divide this continuously by 2 unless and until you are getting the final result as 0. Okay, divide up by 2 again and again and again. Okay, how to divide I will show you, don't worry. Then step 2, after each division write the remainder on the right hand side. So after each division you will get some remainder, the remainder write on the right hand side. How to write I will show. Then the last step is arrange the remainder from bottom to top. So that means after each division, for example you are dividing 7 by 2, so first you will be 3 to the 6, remainder will be 1. So write this remainder on right side. Okay, then for example next you have 3, you dividing 3 by 2, you will get 2 1 ja 2, remainder will be 1. So write this remainder on the right side. Okay, then how we will read this remainder? From bottom to top, that means from bottom to top. Okay, so for those whose concept are not clear, I am explaining. When we divide any number, for example 11 by this number 10, we will get a final result over here. It may be 0 or it may be 1 2 3, any number. Okay, so this final result is known as your remainder. Okay, remember what is this remainder? The final result will got over here. Okay, is known as your remainder. Then the number which we are dividing is known as dividend. Okay, and this result of your division is known as quotient. But in here, in case of conversion of decimal to binary, you will need only the remainder. So remember what is remainder? The n number which we are getting in case of any division. So let us do some example to understand it more clearly. So we will convert this 7, then 9, then 24 and 17 to understand this conversion more easily. So the first rule, as we explained, the first step is divide the decimal number by 2 continuously. So first we will do the divide the number continuously. Then the second step is write the remainder on the right hand side. So first we need to solve these two steps. Okay, let us perform these two steps. We will to convert 7 into a binary number. This is a decimal number, we need to convert into binary number. Divide it with 2. We will divide this number 2 by again and again repeatedly unless we are getting the final result as 0. Okay, so if we divide 7 by 2, here look at here, if we divide 7 by 2, what will get? 3 to the 6. So 7 minus 6 is 1. Our remainder here is 1. So write on the rule was, second rule, write on the what side? right hand side the remainder. So if you divide, again we are writing the same thing in for our understanding purpose. We are dividing 7 by 2, okay, right? So the result is 3 and the remainder is 1. We are writing remainder on the right hand side, okay. Then divide this result again by 2. The rule was divide again and again. So if you divide this rule by 3 by 2 again, divide this 3 by 2 again, 2 1 ja 2, remainder will be 1, answer is 1. So we can say that if you divide 3 by 2 again, this 3 is coming here, okay, 3 by 2 again, then the answer will be 1 and the remainder is again 1. We are writing the remainder on right hand side. Then again divide the answer over here, again divide it by 2, unless you are getting the final result as 0. So divide 1 by 2. Can you divide 1 by 2? No. You can get a decimal answer, like if you divide, for example I am explaining 1 by 2, give decimal 0 5, but we are converting to, remember, we are converting to decimal numbers, binary. In case of binary only two number exists, 0 and 1. So you cannot write decimal 0.5 number, okay, you cannot give the decimal number, so you cannot divide 1. So the result will be 0. 2 zeros are 0, so the remainder will be 1. Remember this, okay. So the answer will be 0 and remainder is 1. Okay, now the last rule is arrange the remainder from bottom to down, bottom to top. That means from bottom is here, from here to it is our bottom, from here to top, arrange this, okay. So the last number is 1, then it is second is 1, then it is 1, so the ultimate number is 111. So we can say that the decimal number 7 equals to 111 binary number. So we can convert in this way. So let us check either our this answer is right or wrong. So we know how to convert any number, any binary number to decimal number. Give a line, here is our decimal point. We are solving this question now, okay. First, second, third, this is our first position, sorry, this is our first and this is our zeroth position, 0 first and second position, zeroth is 1 1 1. So let us solve this. For this you can write as 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0. So this will become 1, 2 1 2, 2 1 2, and this will become a 2 to the 4, 4 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So yes, our answer is 111 means 7. So our answer is correct. So again remember this basic steps, 3 steps. First, divide the number you want to convert multiple times again and again, unless you are getting 0 by 2. So first we divided by 2, we got an answer 3 and remainder 1. Divide this answer again by 2, then you will get another answer and a remainder 1. Then divide this answer, because this is not 0, so divide it again unless you are getting 0. In this step we got the answer 0 and then the remainder was 1. So as the answer is 0, so no need to divide it again, okay. Then write from bottom to top. So here the first number is 1, the second is 1, the third is also 1. So our answer is 111, okay. Let us try the next one. The next one says that convert this 9, this is a decimal number, convert it into binary. Binary number, okay. How to convert this 9 into binary system? To convert this into binary system, divide this by 2 multiple times, okay. First let us divide 9 by 2. If we divide 9 by 2, 2 4 ja 8, okay. 9 minus 8 is 1. So here your answer is 4. So if you divide 9 by 2, answer is 4, okay. 9 by 2 answer is 4 and remainder is 1. In second case, divide this answer again by 2. 4 by 2, 2 2 ja 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So your result is 2. 2 from here, this is your result, okay. And remainder is 0. You need to make this place 0. Unless or until this place becomes 0, you need to divide it again and again. Okay, now divide 2 by 1. If this result, divide 2 by 1. If you divide 2 by 1, 2 1 are 2, result is 0, but here it is 1. So if you divide this by 2, the result will become 0. Sorry, yeah, the result will become oh, sorry, this is this one. If you divide 2 by 2, then the result will be 1 and remainder will be 0. Okay, then still it is 1, so you need to divide it again unless and it becomes as your 0. So divide 1 by 2, you cannot divide 1 by 2, so the result will be 0 times 2 to 0 is 0, 1 over here. Okay, so your remainder is 1, but now your this place is 0, so no further division is required. Remember, unless and until your this place becomes 0, you need to divide it again and again. So now it is 0, so no need to divide it further. Now the rule is write from bottom to top. So let us start writing from here. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So this is your binary number, which means 9 decimal number when converted, you 9 decimal number when equals to 1001 binary number. Okay, let us perform some more examples. So this is question number C, says convert this 24. So far we have converted single digit number like 7 9, these are single digit. Now we are converting 24 two digit, so the rule will be same for this also. Okay, so first rule is divide it again and again by 2 unless you are getting a 0 in this place. Okay, then the second rule is write the remainder on the right side. You are writing all in the right side. Then the third is start reading from bottom to top. Okay, start reading from bottom to top, remember this. So let us first divide 24 by 2. If you divide 25 by 2, 12 to the 24. Okay, 24 minus 24, answer is 0. So your result is, if you divide 24 by 2, result will be 12 and remainder will be 0. Okay, in the next case, divide this result by 2 again. So 12 by 2, 6 to the 12, 12 minus 12 is answer 0. So here also your result is 6 and remainder is 0. Divide this 6 again by 2, 6 by 2, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 6 0. So your remainder is 0 and answer is 3. Okay, now divide this 3 again by 2. If you divide 3 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, here your answer is 1 and remainder is 1. So here your answer is 1 and remainder is also 1. Now divide this 1 again, because in this place you need a 0. So divide this again by 2. If you divide 1 by 2, so you cannot divide 1 by 2. So the result will be 2 0 0 here 0. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. So the answer is here 0 and the remainder is 1. In this case, do not do any mistake. Okay, remember, in normal case what to do, how to divide 1 by 2, will give here 1 decimal and 0, 2 5s are 10, right? It is solved, the answer will become 0. But in this case we cannot do this, because we are converting to binary system. Binary system means only two number, either it will be 0 or 1. So this number, sorry, here in this case you cannot convert into decimal. Okay, you need to write it in the form of either 0 1 or any complete number. You cannot write any fraction point. Okay, so in case of this you cannot write any fraction. So if you divide 2 by 1, we cannot divide this, so we'll write 0 0 to the 0. So answer will be 1. So in the case of result, place of result, we are getting a 0 and remainder 1. So if we have a 0 over here, so no need to divide it further. Okay, so the rule is start from writing from bottom to top. In bottom we have first 1, so 1, then second 1, then third, fourth, fifth, all 0 0 0 0. Okay, so this is your binary number from 12. If you convert 12 decimal number to binary number, you will get this answer. Okay, let us perform one more example. Let us convert this 17 into decimal number. How will convert? The first rule was divide again and by 2 unless 0 in result. Okay, unless you are getting a 0 in this place, divide it again and again. So start dividing 17 by 2. If you divide 17 by 2, 8 to ja 16, 7 minus 6 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, not to write. So if you divide 17 by 2, the answer is 8, answer is remainder is 1, right on right side. Okay, then divide this result by 2 again. 8 by 2, 8 to 4 to ja 8, so 8 minus 8 0, remainder is 0 and your answer is 4. Divide this 4 again by 2. If we divide 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 2 to ja 4, 4 minus 4 is 0, your answer will be 2 from here and 0 will be your remainder. Okay, then divide this 2 answer again by 2. If we divide 2 by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, so your answer is 1 and remainder is 0. You need to make this place 0, so divide this 1 again by 2. So 2 by 2, 1, 2 0 is 0, 1 is your remainder. Okay, 1 is your remainder, 0 is your answer. In this division, that is dividing 2 by 1 by 2, never do any mistake. It will be 0 over here, 2 0 is 0, so 1 over here. Okay, so your answer becomes 0 over here. Do not do any mistake in this place. Okay, remember. So the rule is start from writing from bottom, start from bottom to top. Okay, bottom is first 1 1, then 0 0 0 0 0 0, then last is 1 1 triple 0 1. So your 17 decimal number equals to this is your binary number. Okay, this is the basic rule. So up to this much we have explained how to convert any binary number, decimal number into a binary number. There are 3 common rules. The first is convert the given number in question, divide the given number in question again and again by 2 unless you are getting a 0 over here in your result. Okay, result means quotient. In place of quotient you are getting a 0. Second is always write the remainder after each division on the right side. So we have written all in the right side remainder. Okay, and the last rule is after the division is complete, you have got a 0 over here, start reading from bottom to top, not from top to bottom, bottom to top. So from this bottom it will go like this, then the first one on top will come at end. Okay, and then this number is equal to your normal decimal number. So 17 decimal number equals to 10001 binary number. So this is the process of conversion. So now you convert this few number I am giving over here and show it to me. The first is, for example, 8, then 21, 8 21, then 33, then another one is 6, then 12, then 13. You can give some more, 45. Okay, this 7 number you convert now and show to me. Okay, and after this class try to solve this, and if you have any doubts then ask me. Thank you.